my channel. I go by the name Rose, aka your favorite vanilla chick, and I'm back on your screens. And it's Halloween season. I'm so excited for this season because this is my favorite season and it means a whole lot to me. So by the title of this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you guys would like to see more of these gory looks, and don't forget to click the notification bell or next door so you know what goes down every time I pull up on your screens. So without any further ado, let's get spooky, let's get with it. It's raining, everything is just going weird, but I started out not liking this eye look. I don't know what you guys think. Tell me what you think on the comments below. I started out not liking it, so I'm gonna go in with my baby skin primer by Maybelline. Look at my hands, yo. I want to make this a quick look because I want to get to the gory part, so that's why I didn't waste my time showing you my eye look, because I'm sure you're not here for that.
I want to see how you do these looks. We don't believe you. They don't look real. They don't look, I mean, they look so real.
How do you make this? I'm like, it's makeup. And they're like, how? How? Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how. Hopefully, if everything goes according to plan, because wow. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade that suits my skin tone. In the shade that suits my skin tone, which is, I think it's ivory. Honestly, I think it's ivory. I don't even want to lie. I think this is ivory. And I'm just gonna do. Point out how this weather is so annoying because it's so bipolar, guys. Like our weather, it changes every 2 minutes. Yes, woo, I look like a zombie, but it's Halloween, it's acceptable. For this month of October, I will be dropping all the gory, disgusting, crazy makeup looks because it's the season and I just feel like I have to, you know. And well, that's how I started doing all this stuff, all this makeup, yeah. Special effects was during this time, so why not? I feel like making tutorials because girl really goes full coverage. I mean, she's not shy. Like she really like goes in, and I love her. By the way, I put so much foundation. You'll see. And I don't like to waste, so this was all going on my face. That was a rhyme. I don't like to waste, because that's all. I don't like to waste, because all of that is going to my face. Ah! I'm really trying to speed through this video, like, I mean, through this process, because it's honestly not the fun part. But you better watch the whole video because I'm creating it for you, so do not skip through this.
It's time to bake my face. Because I'm trying to look like a nice vanilla cake, okay?
I'm gonna bake my face for 10 minutes on 300 degrees Celsius, okay? So I just took a color and I'm gonna break it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just broke it. It's not even, but that's not the problem, okay? So I've got 2 of these and I'm gonna use them and I'm gonna stick them just on my nose, but I need to measure, so I might have to use this mirror. Some liquid latex to stick this. Don't mind this, it keeps falling, so, and the lid broke, so that's why it looks so shabby. But this is liquid latex that I got from Crayolin. And guys, honestly speaking, liquid latex is very strong for me, especially on my face. I can't really use it that much. I don't know how people use it, but if you're sensitive to liquid latex, especially on your face, I'd suggest don't use it. Doing is, the latex here is dry, right? And then I just stuck the pencil in here and it decided to stick. So what I'm trying to do is get this part also like dry, so I can stick the other end as well. I don't know, like, yeah, I'm low-key becoming defeated. It's, oh my gosh. First time shooting these looks and understanding that already I've got a terrible eyesight, and shooting for me these kind of looks are not like your everyday makeup look, so I do need the mirror in front of me. This is the final look. You guys saw that I struggled a lot, but I actually like how it turned out, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys would like to see more of these looks, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you would like to see next time, and hopefully I'll be more prepared and I'll do something more disgusting.